Today we're talking about, so we're on the EH build today obviously, and I'm talking about these side panels. Now obviously most of the cool looking panel vans have got these completely covered in, so they don't have windows, they're just a complete flat panel. And that was always Dad's intention for this as well. I've got the windows over there so I could easily put the windows back in, and yeah, I could do that, but I know that Dad wanted to fill these in and make it a windowless van. So ordinarily what you would do is you would get a piece of steel, right, and then you'd either try and match it into those holes, right, so therefore you're doing a lot of butt welding into there, and then there's a whole lot of fabrication to get it flat and get it looking flat. And I've seen vans and that are just not flat at all. So I've been really worried about having to do this bit. So did a bit of Googling, and there's actually a guy in Newcastle, Ray from Mad Folk Engineering, and he actually does a full panel that we basically cut in here. It's got the factory fold in here, and so I can spot weld it into the bottom of that there. So I cut it into there, so I've got a butt weld there, I've got a butt weld right across the top, and then I can blend it into the back pillar wherever I want to blend it into, and that. So yeah, and I mean, I have to get that much steel anyway in order to fill these in. So that's the path I've gone down. And cool thing is, it's arrived. So come with me, we'll unpack it and we'll see what's actually in the box. All right, so here it is. And it's been packed really, really well. I paid, obviously, there's a little bit extra because he's obviously in Newcastle and I'm down in Melbourne. So wanted to make sure that it got to me nice and safe and sound. So yeah, did an amazing job packing it. So let's crack it open and see what's inside. Oh, nice. So what I also ordered was the uprights. So these uprights, he does these as well. And let's just have a look. So in behind the panel, right? These uprights sit in behind the panel. So I'll show you in a sec. But yeah, they sit up in behind the panel. So yeah, so I ordered 6 of those as well. That's pretty cool. And then literally made this to fit. They don't move. There we go. So yeah, that's the panel. So let's go and see what it looks like. Yeah, so these uprights, there's actually a factory mount for them. So there's one there. So they go in there like that. That gives that the support behind the windowless panel. Now obviously if you're running windows you wouldn't run these, but there is one that goes there that's missing. Right, that would hold that out and give that all that structure. So yeah, one there, and then one there. They just get plug welded in. So 6 of them, 3 each side. And then the panel itself, as you can see, so he's drilled out the areas to plug weld, so all the holes to be able to plug weld. And then it's still got the factory cutouts and that. So that's where those support braces go in. They'll go in that exact spot there. And then effectively I can cut out, I can cut all this, so I can drill out all these spot welds, cut that there, wherever I want, and then I retain that factory fold, and then I can spot weld the back of it as well. And if you notice, it's even got, probably can't get the angle right, but it's even got that factory slight bend in it, so it's not like a flat panel. It's actually got the right amount of curve in it, and that then will match the curve that we've got in that back panel there. So yeah, so that's pretty cool. That's going to make that job a hell of a lot easier. And the other thing as well is, as you can see, there's a bit of extra on the back there, so I could just chop that off wherever I want to chop it off. So that's going to be a job very shortly. But just wanted to unpack that today and see what was inside, and yeah, pretty happy with that. So thanks Ray, big shout out to Ray at Mad Folk Engineering. Check him out online. He's got a lot of EH conversion stuff. So yeah, that's pretty cool.